I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
Alright, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a while, but I'm just going to do some maintenance on the Golf R, but the reason why I'm actually going to make a maintenance video is because I'm going to try out this Schwaben fluid extractor. And also got some new gear oil. Just feel like replacing that. Ordered a whole bunch of oil filters, and then I needed this fitting for my fuel system, and I'll go over that if this works out and why. I'm actually going to switch you guys to a head cam and just work like that, because I think it'll be alright for what we're doing today. I'll just narrate it or something. But alright, I'll get started with that and switch over to the head cam now. Alright, so I'm interested in how this works. I don't know if anybody else is, but I am. So I figured I'd make a video. That's pretty dope that that's all there is to it. So let's see. You just have to pick the right size for your dipstick. It's probably gonna be this black one, I think. Let's see, hold that Shiba right there. Let's see, this should be pretty toasty. Yeah, oh yeah, that's toasty. Let me get some gloves on. Alright, I got a glove on, and your engine needs to be hot so that some debris settle at the bottom. Ignore me, you should have a rag, but I'm just gonna hang it like they got there. Skibidi-doop. That'll work. Use it still. It's windy. How you work this? This goes in here. How you do this? Okay, so here is the earth. The earth is round. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. Oh, yeah. Well, that was really hard. All right. We shall try again. Oh, cool. It's flowing pretty good now. It's kind of hard to see, but that little stream right there is the oil. It was just barely running down the side. It's flowing pretty good. I'm not sure what I did different, but it's working now. Like I said, I'm going to fix that fuel fitting. I should be wearing that long sleeve shirt, that's why it's in here, but I forgot. Ta-da! Yeah, we're rolling now. I'm thinking that each one of these bars is a liter of cola, because it says don't fill past that last bar, and it's 6.5 liters of cola. Well, while I'm waiting, I guess I can pop this lovely thing back off. I finally found the key to it, and I don't... Oh, the key to it, I guess, is don't put it back on right. Come on up out of there. Come on up out of there. I ended up having to run out, so I didn't get to finish what I was doing. But you can see, it's pretty full. Looks like almost 6 liters. I guess with the oil cooler, I guess I have a little bit extra. All right, just need to fill it up. The oil change will be done. My initial impressions with the Schwaben fluid extractor is that it does definitely work, but it took a good few hours, like an hour, for it to pull all the 6 liters out. All right, I'm gonna finish filming on my phone so that you guys can see this. The actual proper size for this car is 9.89 millimeters. It's the Euro spec. I had like 3/8 to 3/8 over there and it was not right. So now, see when it goes on, it's on and it's able to move around. Day can be ruined. That'd be great. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm filming on my iPhone again, so I really have no clue where to look. But thanks for watching. Check out the next one, and I'll see you when I see you.